Do not underestimate the power of vinegar as an acid. I use vinegar to clean up a lot of the brass fittings that came out of my radiant heat system. This fitting was about 8 years old. It was pretty tarnished, and that cleans it right up. I didn't leave it in there very long. On my mailbox, I have a spinner to keep the birds away. This is a 608 roller skate bearing. This one is ceramic, and there's no grease in this. That will spin for 4 or 5 times longer than an ungreased roller skate bearing. But in my spinner on the mailbox, moisture in it finally got to this, and these races are just plain steel. And they got rusty and it quit spinning, so I replaced it. So I thought I'll take that old bearing and throw it in vinegar, and then I forgot about it. Today I looked over to see, what is that dirty stuff in the bottom of that peanut butter jar? And I had forgotten about that bearing. It sat in this vinegar. And this vinegar had been used previously to clean some brass and copper parts. And that is what's left of that bearing after just sitting in the vinegar for about a week. It dissolved the race and stuff enough to where it just fell apart. I thought that was pretty impressive. Actually, water caused the steel to rust, and then vinegar attacked the rust.